My name is Mike Hill. I'm the Collision Center Director here at Todd, Judy Ford. So we specialize in repairing all makes and model vehicles. We accept all insurance companies across the board. It doesn't matter what your insurance company is, we can work on your vehicle. A common misconception is that a dealership can only work on a certain make of a vehicle. Regardless of what type of vehicle you drive, we are certified and ready to work on all your vehicles. All of our techs are iCar certified. We're Charleston's only iCar Gold repair facility, as well as a Ford certified collision network. We're one of the few Ford dealerships in this area, possibly the only Ford dealership in this area that sprays Sherwin-Williams products. So what that allows us to do is to increase our production time, which in turn allows you to get your vehicle back in one of the quickest times in the industry.
Turnaround time, say on a bumper, you can do a bumper in a day, have it back to them same day.
One of the unique things about Todd Judy Ford Collision Center, if you don't have rental coverage on your insurance policy, we have the ability to offer you a loaner vehicle. And I promise that you will not experience a better repair anywhere in this industry than here at Todd Judy Ford.